In today's video, I'm going on to teach you how to build a free business website with Google Sites. If you want a simple, professional looking website without paying for web design tools, Google Sites is a great place to start. It's beginner friendly, free to use, and makes it easy to put together a clean business site in just a few steps. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get started with a template and customize it to fit your brand and business needs. First, go to Google Sites. Once the page loads, you'll be taken to the main area where you can create a new site. This is where all the setup begins. If you're signed into your Google account already, you should be able to start right away. Google Sites is designed to be very visual, so even if you've never built a website before, the layout should feel approachable. Next, click on Template Gallery. This is an important step because templates give you a ready-made structure, which saves time and helps you avoid starting from a blank page. Instead of building every section from scratch, you can choose a layout that already includes the types of pages and sections a business website usually needs, like a home page, service information, and contact details. After opening the template gallery, scroll down to the small business section. Google organizes templates by purpose, and this section is especially useful if you want a site that looks polished and practical for a business. As you browse, pay attention to the overall layout, the style of the header, and how the information is arranged. Choosing the right starting point can make the editing process much smoother. Then select the template you like and edit it based on your preferences. This is where your site starts to become your own. You can update the text to describe your business, replace placeholder content with your own information, and adjust images so the site reflects your brand. You can also refine the look and feel so it matches the kind of impression you want to make on visitors. As you edit, focus on keeping your content clear and easy to scan. A business website should quickly tell people who you are, what you offer, and how to reach you. Try to keep the design consistent across sections so the site feels professional and trustworthy. Once you've customized the template to your liking, you'll have the foundation of a free business website built with Google Sites. It's a fast and accessible way to create an online presence, especially if you want something simple, functional, and easy to maintain.